Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty right here, and you are here in another edition of the skipping rope challenge. Okay, and today I'm going to be showing you my home workout, and I'm taking part in the skipping rope challenge. For those of you who are new to this channel, if you don't know what a skipping rope challenge is, it's a challenge I organized for my students. I'm having a weight loss online class going on right now, and in this class we are having a skipping rope challenge. This is just to motivate us to make sure that we exercise on a daily basis. Okay, it doesn't take much time for you to do exercise, and you don't need no equipment. You just need to sacrifice 10 to 20 minutes of your time on a daily basis. You'll make sure you are healthy and you are staying fit, especially during this time of quarantine. So without much ado, let's just move into the workout of today. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please join the family by hitting on that red button. You'll be helping me and you'll be helping us. I'll start by warming up, so just follow me along and do well to follow these exercises. Thank you. hard work. She's working her hips, she's working her thighs, and she's working her lats as well. She's working her hips, she's working her legs, she's working her thighs. This really helps, especially with the hips. If you're struggling to reduce your hips, tone your butt, this exercise is very good. So go ahead and do. You can do this on a daily basis, or you can do it whenever you want. So this is just one of the students, and always make sure to work out while wearing your waist trainer. It really helps burn fat in that particular area, and I know every woman loves to have that hourglass figure. Getting to the next student, this is Sandra, and you can use this exercise as a warm down. This is going to be our last exercise of the day, so you can warm down like this. You can do some more stretches, or you can just march on the same spot for some minutes. So thank you very much for watching the video of today. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'm gonna see you in my next. Bye.